In front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening settings. When you're ready, scroll down a tiny bit to click on display section and scroll again. This time click on screen refresh rate and tap on one of those options to apply it. When you finished, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!